Oh, I want to get a test for have the coronavirus. But me, I don't want to go to the it's a positive. And then bring, yes, everybody around come to me, so I'm bring me in a quarantine. I must say, man, not today. Yeah.
I say, Abigail, me have a little flow feelings. Hey, Jack!
That we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
Public service announcement.
That be a school?
Yeah, we are sure.
Look, I mean, the one where you have to touch.
I video go for my people things.
The one where the man says just put your hand there and the sanitary. That might have to go for you there.
So what you plan for? We're going to break in at the school also.
Yeah, you yourself.
Guys, I go downtown yesterday for buy hand sanitizer. The woman I look at me and tell me 600 for hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer where you start give it for free. Talk truth. Serious something I keep in here and so. Serious something. You have to go at the good lighting, good space, good lighting.
Actually, come look cool at this.
Me look good at the phone.
But no, you don't look good over here.
I see what's up
Face white.
Only need to stock up. Get to the weapons, you see? Stock up.
Come like Walking Dead. They say like for them they don't feel live in a Walking Dead. I could go buy things to plant because I have to use up the space and plant things. But they might go jump the yard and compete them.
Guys, stock up. Them say stock up on food, stock up on weapons. I see what summer take place in here. Yeah. Who do not see what Trump do? Trump will greet the man and I'll use him elbow and boom off the man elbow. Trump not take no risk. Trump not share and again I see what summer keep. Ah, Jesus. People, as I said, this is not a joke. This is not a test. Wanna need for stock up a serious something I keep. Wanna see me going down on my knees. I tell you, I serious something. No madness is out here. No madness is out here. No madness is out here. I serious something I keep. Watch out. Ooh. No madness. Ooh. So guys, right now, I feel on vitamin C. Since I couldn't get a pill, I have to take orange. Guys, right now, I'm going to Mega Mart and so. I see what I can teeth because I see what some you know we have to broke and hungry sometime. So what you going to do? No more teeth. Jesus, please, I see what some.
Half your teeth, because we can't do nothing better.
Half a teeth. I see what some are going. And so.
You know teeth?
And so. Yeah, guys. March 14, 2020. Kingston I got shut down.
Me, Papa, because food are going to become so Russian. Nothing to eat.
Yes. Some man could up makeup. Yeah.
Oh, what? How she look?
Yeah. I don't know. That's how she look now.
Show them this.
I might like that shape now.
I want to see me right on that food.
I'm full of myself and it's so cute.
I'm full of myself, that's why I'm on camera. Which part are you?
Chip on the dog, bro. Oh my God, make a chip on the dog, bro. Yo, am I ready?
Guys, right now, we are getting ready for go and Mega Mart and so. Me in a gloves and so.
You in a gloves?
Yeah.
I'm foreign. Thank God me used to watch Walking Dead here. I know Rick them live. All them school, yeah, we have to go in there, them go teach everything.
People?
Where's the man running from? Look at them big tanks there.
Are they over there, sir?
Yes, sir. But them catching back. Guess what we not buy? Matches.
Mega Mart and so. Mega Mart don't feel happy no. Right now in a Mega Mart and so, you know. In a Mega Mart can't.
Brother, what's your problem, bro?
Broke down the people them Charlie now. Yeah, so we have to go pay for Charlie. Eh? Broke down the people them Charlie now. Yeah, so we have to go pay for Charlie.
Guys, look here. Look here. I see what's up going in there. They must have fling things in that Charlie, so I guess what them broke, you know? It broke. On the Charlie so far.
And I Charlie heavy, you know, at him.
Yeah, the stuff though. You can't pay for things. Eh?
Oh,
You
no.
can't pay for items.
Listen, when am I going to mean this?
Guys, people can't pay for them things. Okay.
Excuse me, put them something. I be excuse me.
Where your money there?
No.
Where you want to sneak in pan here, so? Say the woman have a black off here, so. I see where somebody
Excuse me, excuse me.
go and put your thing.
Everything right here only. Oh, but you have virus, you know?
Mother.
Excuse.
Mother.
Let go of me.
Mother.
You want listen. Cash my teeth.
Mommy, so they are cheap. If they
Act like them act. Yeah, bring them back. Act like them act like can't pay for what they're supposed to pay.
No. You see it? I
Guys,
get new work. Work before they fire me. Because can't make them fire me. I serious, they have no idea.
yeah,
You have to let them survive.
yeah,
Can't make them fire me.
yeah.
Oh, a thief. I got somebody a thief. As soon as my feel somebody start thief.
She idiot them. That's trouble.
bring on Charlie, my youth.
Come on. Back
So I have to do everything.
Now you're jumping like that, what's that?
So guys, just reach back in. For those coming here, the first thing I go for, I'm a chin chips.
You spray them when with being so early. But I'm not doing.
Unknown. Back at Mega Mart again, so.
This time, dirty body cap on now, be a cap wagon. Yeah, boy, you look like a madman, you know. You look like a madman.
Out there in that street, man.
Oh, you know, Mega Mart full. I see what some are going. I see what some are going.
I can't believe, look at this. The amount of things Jamaica suck up on. In a crisis, I just do nothing about wipe on the button and thing there. No man.
I went in and get the fuck out of here.
My hands are clean.
Hands clean. I say Mega Mart sanitize you up and stuff. When you walk in, or just get to the hand
Oh, and get a
sanitize.
free test if another thing.
Oh, and get a test for the have the coronavirus. But me, well, I don't want to go there, so it's a positive. And then bring, yes, everybody around come to me, so I'm bring me in a quarantine. I must say, man, not today. So guys, bear in mind what I'll go with tomorrow, Sunday.
When we get to man.
Also, and it'll come back Monday morning 8 o'clock. So it'll go at 8 p.m. Sunday. And come back 8 a.m. Monday, the Monday morning, the 16th, because I read about it. Yeah. So make sure so you don't full up one and full up and so.
I'm sick. Good evening. Good evening. But you don't want to get sick?
Achoo!
But we're not going to sleep.
We are still for.
You want phone? You can't give me a phone. Look how much phone you use me. Man.
I know what you have, but when somebody are going to catch
Nobody
and
not
give
have a thing when me there around.
you can't go and stay there. I
Can't
don't
give me
want
6
to
of
see
them
you.
head girl. Can't give me 6 of them.
No, girl. Remember, 7 people go from here, so we have to lock
Fuck
you.
7 people. Everything you black card video, me hate them drunk right now. But so when so now stack up for stay here.
You know, come on.
I
They
beg
man
6
up on the roof
egg.
so them can't find you.
Which woman them on the
From
road?
Trinidad.
Clark life, loosely.
I hear that one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen news.
What?
You're not listening to me.
What do you think? I make sure put my TV on something. Me say Abigail, me have a little flow feelings.
No, people dance soon.
Virgin, we're not taking no check. Come back, she did not touch the door. Jesus. One could sanitize.
It's got that can. Papa, would you bring that virus out here? I swear they were up with you. I swear they were up with you. I'm going to Wallace to this.
Auntie Wallace! Yeah,
Yeah, but who know I run?
home. You have to go down and Woody are going.
Whole carry.
Mama say run around.
In the whole carry, this is when I run from. When I walk on the yard. Me I run from. You touch my family, you go. You fool now.
She just up Capo. And you know.
You see me around? Why you not run?
So when I take no check.
In the name of Jesus, Woody have to go down. Woody just disappear, you know. I remember she's small, she can hide on that thing. Woody! Where fucking key? Papa! I want to lock up the car.
Yes, I can't come in.
Let's see how good I can, Papa.
6 of the egg.
I mean, Woody, do your family big. Where do you 6 egg?
We are telling me about family for now. For me alone, yam. We can't tell me about family.
Make Papa buy 6 for you in this one.
Papa can get all my money and get 25,000.
Woody lie!
That the wicked boy here at 25,000 me get her to buy up the grocery them.
Woody, stop telling
Reach a
that.
stage where everything coming like
Survival of the fittest.
That's the only thing I buy, and you know why I buy one?
What that Papa you use?
And sanitize.
Woody rubber palm with.
Hey, now me have that.
Nigga be wildin'.
What me have?
Guys, we're gonna end the vlog here right now. Because I'm not finished. Though, what I'm supposed to do for Abby's madness, and so you know, I'm not finished that yet. So guys, until then guys, AC Gang is out. Bye.